Making existing housing more climate and disaster resilient presents a significant opportunity for impact investors. Millions of families globally lack access to financing for building and improving the houses they need for safety, stability, and opportunity. This makes them extremely vulnerable, particularly women and children, who are 14 times more likely than men to die in a disaster. And for most people, their home is their greatest economic asset, and the future looks bleak. By the year 2030, 40% of the world's population will lack adequate housing. For 2 decades, as a nonprofit social innovator, Build Change has enabled millions of people worldwide to live in safer houses through better building, policy, and financing solutions, and scaling with partners. We provide both private and public sectors with technical assistance to successfully invest in disaster-resistant housing, creating long-term housing and economic resilience with financial, social, and environmental benefits. One private sector pathway we are leading is to build the capacity of trusted microfinance institutions to enable their clients to upgrade their homes to better withstand disasters. With our combined lending and engineering expertise, low-income women can now afford to make their homes safer at costs 5 times lower than building new. In turn, the home's increased resilience creates more stable lending conditions for deploying capital in disaster-prone areas. So, how does it work? Loan officers build awareness among existing, proven clients living in common housing typologies. Clients then choose a trusted builder who participates in Build Change's training program. A builder or loan officer trained by Build Change assesses the home's deficiencies and the homeowner's preferences. Build Change's custom platform then uses the assessment data to identify the required upgrades, materials needed, and borrowing options. Finally, loans are approved and dispersed. The work gets done and the client repays the loan. Clients can choose to take on another loan for additional improvements, and the revolving repayments generate interest for investors. Build Change has successfully applied this lending model in the Philippines, where hundreds of women have upgraded their homes with repayments exceeding 99%. Now, we are unlocking capital to replicate the model in Indonesia and globally so that millions of other women can protect their families' safety and wealth. Thinking of investing? Making existing housing resilient is an untapped billion-dollar market. This is a huge market-building opportunity. Your philanthropic investment will enable Build Change to both expand its award-winning expertise to more microfinance partners and improve construction quality and repayment performance. We can help more women secure resilient housing by increasing the flow of capital funds for microfinance institutions to on-lend. Together with the collaboration of philanthropists and investors, we can create a more resilient housing and financial system, ultimately making families safer,